Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Vlogmas day number 3. So guys, this is the official house tour that many of you guys has been waiting, and definitely smash a like on this video as soon as you get in. Definitely leave a comment, and if you're new here and you're clicking on this video for the first time, please consider subscribing. All returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to this video. So let's get right into it guys, right? What we love a lot about this house guys is as you come through the front door, you have the stairs. The stairs lead directly to the basement guys. So if it is that you have any guest or any family member, anybody who's staying with you in the basement, whatever, they have a level of privacy as well. Alright? So then they have to go through the whole house in order to go down to the basement. So that is very, very nice to us. We really like that. Another thing that we really like guys is these lights. These lights are so nice, right? So it makes, as you come through the house, it gives it a little level of elegance that we really like. I don't know. Like lighting is very important to me, and that's something that I really find impressive. Alright? Now, as you pass through the front door, guys, you're into this area. This is the dining area. Pretty much. You drop a dining table right here, sir. Alright? And definitely this is the area that you definitely make all the magics in terms of your food and stuff like that. This is really nice. Now, directly from the dining area guys, before I go into the kitchen, I want to show you guys these lights. Now, how it's set up, it makes it perfect for persons who do YouTube videos and stuff like that in them place. It definitely gives you as much lighting as you need. So definitely find that very impressive as well. So yeah, I really like that. Now directly from the dining area guys, you go into the kitchen. Kitchen is very important, and one of the biggest things for me guys is the stove. Now, stove is very important to me guys because I don't know, everybody like different things, but like stove. Now this is a brand new stove guys. It's a 5-burner Frigidaire stove, and it's pretty much exactly what we were looking for in terms of the color, the style, and also, you know, everything. We just really like it. If you look inside, you can see that it's fairly new, brand new, never been used or slightly used before, we don't know. But it is exactly what we wanted, alright? And then above the stove, you have a range which get rid of the exhaust or the smoke and stuff like that. So because we live in a cold country, you can't just open a window and let out some of the food smell and also some of the smoke and them thing there. So the range is very important. You turn it on and it definitely get rid of the smoke and exhaust. Above the stove and above the range, you have a microwave. It's a digital microwave, and having 2 kids having a microwave is very important. It makes your life so much easier. So definitely microwave is a big deal for us as well. As you guys can see, it's now 7:17 p.m. The microwave is very spacious. You can see, I really like it. It is definitely more than what we were really bargaining for as well. Before I show you guys the cupboards and all of the other stuff that this kitchen has to offer, I just want to show you guys the dishwasher. The dishwasher is another big deal in terms of like, when you live in the country, you really and truly don't have time for a wash plate every day. So the dishwasher makes that so much easier. So you pop in your dishes, do all of them things there, and you're good to go. Alright guys? Then now you have the fridge. So if I should stand beside the fridge, we're almost the same height. So it's really not a tall fridge, but it's definitely better than what we had at our current, soon to be past apartment. Alright guys, so of course it's brand new as well. And Malika J, don't turn on the dishwasher. When I look inside, it's very spacious. Empty right now because of course we're not moving fully yet. So that's typical fridge. So a typical fridge look, right? Yeah. Of course you have a freezer up top. Put in a meat, put in whatever, ice cream, whatever, you're good to go. Definitely. Now guys, if you look on the cupboards, it might look as if like it's not enough for everything. But let me just tell you guys that inside these cupboards are massive. Definitely massive. Now we were not expecting so much space, right? Because we were like, yo, we're gonna put all our stuff them on thing. But guys, listen. Above the microwave, you have 6 cupboards. 4 large one and 2 small one. Let me just show you guys inside one. Massive, right? So definitely you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different places you can put some stuff. Alright guys, so that is like definitely spacious. Above it, we'll probably not use this one because I'm the only one who can reach up top right here, so and every time I try to call me can pass something, I'm not can bother sometimes, so we just not gonna put on no pencil. But you do have storage up here if it is that you decide to use it. That is something that you can definitely consider as well. So yeah, we were pleasantly surprised where that is concerned. Then you have these drawers beside the stove, guys. Now this is 3 drawers, right? But let me just tell you guys this. When you open one, so spacious that one of these drawers can hold so many stuff. Yeah, and you have one down here as well. And you have another one right here. Very good. Then guys, you have more drawers. Looks small, but very spacious, guys. Now, you can store whatever you want to store inside of these, but you have so many storage. Underneath the pipe, you have more storage. Of course, you have a pipe fixtures and stuff, but if it is that you have like other stuff, like your dishwashing soap and stuff like that, you can definitely store it right there as well, guys. And, you know, more storage. Now, this kitchen has a 2-sided sink, which we didn't have at our previous apartment. Our previous apartment had only 1 sink, but now we have a 2-sided sink that is, you know, really like. Of course, you have your flexible pipe. You can drive forward. You can do whatever you want to do. Pretty much in terms of flexibility. All right. You have more storage right here, guys. You have more storage up there. You have more storage right there. That is as much storage as you need. Okay, guys. So directly from the kitchen, you have the living room. So forward. This is the living room, guys. Very spacious. Right? One of the biggest things, guys, that we had an issue with was this window. This window we thought was just huge, right? So it's night outside, so it might look as if you can't see, but anyone outside can see straight inside. So we were a little bit concerned, like, oh, we block it out and stuff. So we ended up getting these curtain racks, which allow us now to can put up, like, you know, some really elegant curtains to black out outside and stuff. At first, because of how it's shaped, we weren't sure of how we were gonna do that, but yeah, everything worked out. Now this is the living room, guys. Of course, the lighting is just the same as how it is right around the house, which is very impressive. We have a lot of space right here. We have our heat exhaust, which is very important right here. And we also have a side door that leads to outside as well. We do have a backyard, guys, but because it's night and it's cold outside, we decided that, you know what, another day we'll show you guys probably around the house tour to show you guys what the backyard look like and stuff like that. But I can't promise you guys that we'll be doing that in winter because trust me, outside is rough. Alright, guys, so pretty much this is the living room. Wow. From the living room, of course, this is a coat closet that you can put your winter gears in and stuff like that. So your winter jacket or winter shoes and stuff like that goes into this closet right here, which as you come through the front door is very nice, right? You don't want to wet up your whole place, so you definitely want to leave your stuff in the winter place, alright? Then now, guys, this is a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, right? So on this floor you have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So on this floor down here now you have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So let's just go and look what this side look like. this is additional storage right here, so which I don't know what this for right here, so to be honest, but we'll find use for it. Definitely we'll find use for it. Then now, you have your thermostat, which is important, guys. This allows you to set the temperature of the house. Wherever you move into, you want to make sure that they have a thermostat, right? Now, your first door on your right, as soon as I come right here, is your bathroom. Yeah, guys. So bathroom is not really a big deal for me, but the bathroom is nice. Now grow the corner. Bathroom nice. You have a nice mirror right here. All of the ladies, I know you guys would appreciate this. You have a lot of storage right here that I'm sure that will make good use of. You have a lot of drawers and stuff like that, which is really and truly massive in terms of size, right? So you can hold a whole lot of stuff that right now that's a pile up all over the place. So definitely, she definitely love this. Now, you have a bath and you also have a shower, right? You can decide which one you want. Both works perfectly. And the bathtub size is really, really, really good. It's really, really big, I think. It can definitely hold me. Yeah, in terms of a bubble bath, right? The toilet is just a normal size toilet, guys. It's very clean. It's new. And we really, really like that. Of course, the lighting in the bathroom is also very impressive. And you have your towel rack and your wet towel rack. And yeah, it's really, really nice. Oh, something I should show you guys about the bathroom as well is the fact that you have this thing right here. Now, I don't know what name it, guys, but this is where you can put like your shampoo and all of them stuff. And yeah, I think this is really, really, really nice because it allows you to kind of have one set location in your bathroom where you can have that. Not every bathroom have that, guys. So personally, I think that's a big deal. Now, this is the girls' room. And when I say the girls' room, guys, this is Malia and Malika's room. We decided not to have them have separate rooms as yet. You know, because we're just moving into a new place and stuff like that. We want them to kind of get comfortable and stuff like that. Plus, we want to turn one of the rooms into a playroom that they can have to just play. Get some toys, some trampoline and stuff like that. So, of course, we've moved over some stuff already. And this is what it is like so far. They have a closet right here, which is you know, some people call it a walk-in closet, but I call it a regular closet. This is a closet. They both will share this for now and stuff. Also have smoke detectors different parts of the house, guys, in case of fire or anything like that. That's also important as well. Alright. Directly across from the girls' room, it's the master bedroom, which would be me and Nat's room. But right in the middle, you have a linen closet. This is where you store your sheet, your towels, your rags and stuff like that. And pretty much if you have any like additional shoes or anything like that, you can put it down on the ground and stuff like that. This would be like additional storage as well, guys. Now, this is where the magic happens. Or this is where the magic will happen. Or it's about to happen. Well, I don't know. This is the master bedroom, right? So does it as well, right here. That definitely Nasa will take over. Anyways, all right. So of course you have storage up top and in the middle as well. All right. Wow, we're gonna check out the other room. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Yeah, guys. So this room now is actually another bedroom. So this is the room that we're thinking of turning into a playroom. Not thinking that we're gonna be turning it into a playroom for the girls. So we're gonna get like some trampoline, some different toys, some mats, play mats and everything, and just turn it into like a full-blown experience for them. So they're gonna have a full experience right here. Of course, there's a closet right here because it's initially a bedroom. So you have additional closet right here that we will be making use of. But for the space itself, it will be a playroom for the girls, definitely. Smoke detector lighting in every room, that is important as well. Yeah guys, so that's it for the upper part now. Now we're gonna go down to the basement, show you guys what the basement really look like. Come in Malika, we're going downstairs. Yeah. Hold on to daddy. Okay guys, so this now is the basement. First thing as I come down the basement guys is additional storage. You have a lot of storage right here, so right? You can choose to put whatever you want to put in here, so I don't know where I'm going to put in there yet, but I'm sure we'll find something. Okay, now this is like another living area in the basement. Now, you can turn this into a man cave or whatever, but this is really just additional basement, right? So the basement is fully carpeted, by the way. The basement is fully carpeted and stuff. The upper part is not carpeted, but the basement is fully carpeted. Now, this is a bathroom that is in the basement. Come on guys. So unlike the bathroom that was up top, you have like a bathtub and stuff. This one actually have a standing shower. A standing shower that Malika really likes, by the way. I'm surprised she's not going in there and stand up as yet. So it doesn't have a bath, but it have like seats and everything and legit a standing shower. So this is really nice. The lighting is also important as well. And I really like it. Now, you do have a nice faucet, a nice kind of thing right here as well, wooden, and you have a nice mirror as well. So that is very nice. You have a very nice toilet as well, good size toilet and stuff, you know. Yeah. You have a towel rack and your wet towel rack, different points. That is very nice. Awesome actually. Now, as I said, this is a 5-bedroom house and 2 bathrooms. So that was the second bathroom, and now you have 2 more bedrooms on this side. Let's go and check it out. So the basement doesn't have a thermostat of its own. The thermostat that is up top definitely control the heat through the entire house. So it definitely spread right throughout. Alright, aye, leave that alone. We're not going there as well. So this is the first bedroom that's in the basement, guys. So the bedrooms in the basement doesn't have a closet, but it's really nice as well. Fully carpeted, good lighting, and you know, just nice and relaxing and comfortable. Right now I feel like I sleep on the ground. It's very nice. Then you have the other bedroom, which would be quote unquote like the master bedroom in the basement. Definitely. So this is a nice sized room as well. It's in the basement. Of course, blinds and stuff is everywhere. You have smoke detectors, you have light, you have water sprinklers and a couple little things that definitely makes, you know, makes it comfortable and neat. So in case of any emergency, you know, so boy, you have a little safety mechanism definitely where, you know, can really and truly save a life. Who knows? Don't forget guys to smash a like on this video if you guys like this house. We don't have a choice, we are already moving in. Definitely we really love it and we want to share this experience with you guys as well. Smash a like on the video guys, share it so other people can see it as well. Become a part of our community. Let's go and check out one last room that is remaining, and that is the laundry and mechanical room. Forward. So that is legit the last room on the house. Legit last room. You go on there, sir. You're not coming in there. Alright guys. So this is the laundry and mechanical room, guys. So we have our washer and our dryer. Yep. We have our washer and our dryer. Again, all appliances are brand new and stuff. And mechanical room, guys, because we're not washing anything yet. Because you also have like your water heater, your main lock off, and every single thing that makes a house function pretty much in these weather here. So this is like your water pump, your hot water heater pump. It keeps your definitely going throughout the month. You also have all your connections and stuff that really and truly make the house function as well. Everything is connected, everything is already sorted out and all of that, right? And this is just like additional stuff that you can put a laundry detergent on and all of them little stuff there. Yeah guys, so there you have it. There's the full house tour of Nuts and Them's new place. So definitely smash a like on this video if it is that you guys that like this video, want to see more of these kind of videos, and definitely if you guys are just happy that we're moving into our new place. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Vlogmas day number 3. Check. Definitely subscribe if you guys are new. Big up all the persons that move subscribe from day 1 and have been sticking it out with us, and you know, big up all the persons who have definitely watched this video to this point. Again, be safe guys, take care of yourself, bless up yourself, until tomorrow, little more.